Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on HP Pavilion 15. To do it, go to the Settings app. Then go to Windows Update. And now you can check for updates, but I already checked, so instead of check for updates button, I have download and install all. You can download and install them separately, but I'm just gonna click on download and install all and wait a moment until all of them are downloaded. Then they will automatically start installing, and some of them may require a restart. So if they do, I'll just restart my laptop, then it'll take a moment to apply the update, and after that I'll be good to go. So I'll get back to you when it prompts me to restart. And now you can see my updates are completed. As you can see, none of them prompt me to reboot my laptop because not all updates require one, but honestly I just suggest doing that anyway. So let's click on the start button, then I'll click on the power button and click on restart, and after a moment you'll be good to go. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.